Big card. Free. We can take shower together. Good. It's apple 277. Strawberry from Baguio 150. And this one 70 peso. I think it's not good for you. Cheese? I think it's for children.
You think I'm not children?
Guys, my K modification. Please comment expensive or cheap. Oh, Shaira cook right now. Shaira, what you cook? Thank you. Hi everyone. Today Thursday afternoon, time now 5 p.m. and we're going to SM hypermarket. It's not SM hypermarket, it's hypermarket Kamachilis. It's in Mabalacat city. I will ask Shaira correct. It's SM, Shaira? Is SM name, SM hypermarket, SM. And we want to buy a little bit grocery, because usually we buy in the market meat or something, vegetable. But today Shaira said she needs something in hypermarket. That's why we just show to you. This video is only for our life in the Philippines, what we buy, what we doing. And now we can show to you what we buy and how much also.
Even afternoon already got cold.
Yeah, Shaira said cold, windy, cold for her. But for me it's good weather now. Big card. So big or small? Or but Shaira, upsize, free. 251. 3 free. Don't have price. No, don't have. I don't know how much. 117. Or maybe this one, because sometimes I cook cookies. It's 94 peso. 94. This cookies 79 peso. Shaira like with chocolate.
And then you can use together.
I don't know, smell.
That's good. It's good.
Okay.
You can use together. Because I have.
We can take shower together. Okay, joke. No, it's not problem, of course. Water. 82 peso. 82 peso. Before 75, little bit high, but it's good. Shaira won't buy noodles. How much? 15 peso.
No, do not this one.
15, 14, 18 peso. I know, I will show to you what popular in the Philippines, noodles. This one, 15 peso, bulalo. You see, 15 peso. Popular. No, we have already, we have. Mac and cheese, 24 peso. No, mac and cheese not need. But bulalo is popular, many people buy. Dove, one pieces, how much? Shaira?
I don't know how much.
48 peso. 48 peso, one pieces.
One pair. But if I buy this one, it's long time already. But better this one.
Better Dove. Apple 225 peso. Orange 228. I like this apple. This apple is better. This apple 77 peso. Gala apple. Gala apple. Yogurt.
Fruit salad.
Ah, fruit salad. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. 35 peso fruit salad. Strawberry from Baguio. 153 peso. 1 kilo 612 peso. No, not need. Papaya, it's okay. 90 peso. 68. Yeah, you'll buy papaya. This one. 99 peso. It's already little bit not good. Yes, not good here. And this one, 70 peso. Yes, it's better. Papaya is good. Yogurt
Yes, I need for my tummy right now.
right now?
Yes.
I think it's not good for you.
No, you remember I always bought this one in Thailand or in Hong Kong.
Okay,
But more good.
okay. Yakult also. One Yakult. Uh-huh.
Yogurt.
Yakult 57 peso. I remember maybe 10 years ago Yakult is about 45 peso. Little bit high. No, it's okay.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. This one. 147 peso. But need to check quality. Before I bought in green inside already. So need to check. Yeah, looks good. Okay. 147. It's for breakfast. Where Shira? I don't know. Shira the same.
Egg or I will buy in Morocco.
Mavoki? You will go to Mavoki or near home?
Better you buy here.
Shira don't want go to buy. That's why okay, I will buy. Expiration until February 15. It's okay. Not broken. Okay. What is this?
Cheese.
Cheese?
I cheese. I like cheese.
Yes. Okay.
Have cucumber there.
No. We all already. It's price not for cucumber. I don't know. Interesting. I think it's for children.
You think I'm not children?
Yes, no, it's like style. I don't know. 200 peso. No, it's I don't know, Shira. It's not about size, about like color. I don't know, style.
I don't like
What we can eat today?
Everything.
Dinner, meat.
So,
You can cook.
same.
Okay, can you show to our subscribers what you cook? Okay?
Okay.
Heavy, Shira. I know. Okay, I will use. Guys, my K modification, you see, very small. I don't want to take big. So total I pay 2,788 peso. I think it's okay. You already see what we bought. Please comment, expensive or cheap. It's about $50, 50 American dollars, about maybe 55 American dollars for this. you can buy meat and fish.
Oh, fish.
Yes, you can buy fish in near home. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I see regular subscribers can watch this video because you know in our channel it's already we don't want to show to you walking street. That's why we expect not many views and not need for us. Not important so many views, so many subscribers. Who like, watch. Who don't like, just skip this channel. But for normal people who always watch us and new subscribers, we are welcome and thank you for watching, of course.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.
Oh, Shaira cook right now. Shaira, what you cook?
It's meat with vegetables.
Meat with vegetable. And can eat with rice.
Yes, it's rice. Sometimes you can put also cabbage here, but right now we don't have cabbage.
Cabbage in refrigerator have, Shaira?
But it's for
Oh,
salad.
what you want, eh? You want it also, No, you can eat also. For you, of course, have foods also. Good cat. Okay. You won't talk with Shaira, I know. Shaira, he always want to talk with you.
Rice.
Me?
Rice.
Okay. Good. Yeah, good. Not salty, not... it's good, normal. Yeah, I like. With vegetable also. No, we can eat now. Are you hungry?
I cannot eat right now because I have, pakabibing tummy. To drink only so many waters.
No, water important, Shaira, water important.
And yogurt,
Yogurt. Maybe yogurt is not good, Shaira.
I need yogurt.
No, up to you.
I already finished. And later, if you want to eat.
Okay.
Or maybe you want if I mix the rice here inside or not?
Yeah, yes, with rice is better because I eat with rice. Yeah. And you could put a little bit cabbage, Shaira. Okay? Not cooked cabbage, only put little bit. Cabbage. Okay.
Ano?
Shaira, what is ano?
What?
Huh?
What?
What? In Russia, ano it's mean way. Like this. What he want? I don't know what he want. Noisy cat, really always. Nighttime he want to find female.
You want to play with another small cat?
In first floor have a small cat? Your family have first... he want to... he try to go to aquarium. He won't drink. Shaira, he won't drink. Yes, good. Good.
Maybe most of the, maybe some of it is not subscriber or the bad
What?
basher, you know, the basher. They will think, it's like it's from pig. No, it's not. If you're a
Shaira, if they said bad, I block. If someone say bad words in comment, I have this comment have strict. If some say not good, block always. Don't worry. Just not attention to clone. I always block clones. Even I not read. Yeah, it's okay. Good.
you want to taste right now?
Maybe later, Shaira, later.
Thank you guys and good night.